This is the gateway identifier of the gateway which provided the data onto the blockchain. Because currently I'm working on the testnet, I'm not able to show you the specific place of this miner, but I can use another miner which is also shown here inside of the tutorial demo. Here we take another miner information from the mainnet, and we use this call to get the token ID of this miner. This should be in this case 7777. I show it to you anyways. Yeah, and here we can see the string we are providing, and the uint is the parameter, the integer we will get back. Here we see that's the same output we expected, and this output we now can use on the block explorer to get the detail of the miner, or to have a look into the miner. So we're now getting the detail of the miner, and with this we are able to get the MEP 1002 token ID, and this token ID we can use to get the current longitude and latitude data. So we will use this to get the miner information. This is the API with which we can call miner information. Miner information is in the MEP 1004 contract. And here is the Hexagon ID, which we can use without the 0x in the beginning. And we can use this as a parameter inside of this script. I will show it to you soon. Okay, I have to show another terminal. Here we use the H3 library. With the H3 library we are able to directly call the hexagons via their ID, which is this in hexadecimal. By doing this we will get the longitude and latitude data. Here we are. I would take this information to just show you where this miner is standing. And here we are. This is the place of our miner. Looking like America, I would say. Hawaii, USA. Okay. I hope that you have been able to learn something from this. If you still would like to get more info, don't hesitate to send me a text